Daniel, giving an interpretation to King Nebuchadnezzar, says, thou art this head of gold. And we know that King Nebuchadnezzar was a king of what kingdom? Of Babylon. Daniel 1 and verse number 1 clearly shows that he was the king of Babylon. His kingdom was Babylon, and it is a symbol of this head of gold. And what type of kingdom was Babylon? He was a king of kings. So in other words, you're looking at world superpowers. After the kingdom of Babylon would rule over the earth for its appointed time, that another kingdom would arise after it. Just as silver is inferior to gold, so this next kingdom would be inferior to the kingdom of Babylon, but it would conquer Babylon. And some would say, well, what kingdom is that? Thy kingdom is divided and given to who? The Medes and the Persians. So the kingdom of Babylon would be given to the Medes and the Persians. The Medes and the Persians are the ones who overthrew, the Bible says, Babylon. And history attests and shows us this very thing. So you have the head of gold representing who? Babylon. Then you have the arms and breasts of silver represented the Medes and the Persians. But then, brothers and sisters, even as you look at this, by the way, I'm going to throw this in again, you're looking at wars and rumors of wars. Because it was a war between Babylon and the Medes and the Persians, and the Persians overthrew in war Babylon. Do we follow? But just as the prophecy said, another power that will be inferior even to the silver, the Medes and Persians empire, as brass is inferior to silver, it will overthrow the Medes and the Persians. What kingdom is this? And it clearly shows in Daniel chapter 8, the Medes and Persians as the ram, and the he-goat as Greece, and that Greece beats Medes and Persians in a battle and conquers them. So the third metal in Daniel chapter 2, representative of the belly and thighs of brass, was the kingdom of Greece.